What is up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon below to turn on notifications. Now let's get right into it. Intelligent fraud detection. State-of-the-art machine learning algorithms to protect your transactions and minimize financial risk. We have two toggleable buttons, being Explore Dashboard and Learn More, which takes you below. Our detection algorithms were the random forest algorithm and isolation forest algorithm, both with their key features and descriptions and details listed accordingly. How they work. First, we have data ingestion and cleansing and feature engineering, then model evaluation, and finally, alert and report to pinpoint these fraudulent transactions, and all their details are also listed. For the technical overview, we have the front-end stack using React, Vite, and Material UI with the proper data visualization listed. And for the back-end stack, we have Django, Pandas, and NumPy with that implementation also mentioned right there below. For our team, first was Caesar Valentine in charge of backend. Then it was me, Colgan Miller, in charge of data and full stack. And finally, Vasco Hinestroza in charge of the front end. And we have our GitHubs and LinkedIn buttons below, which will direct you to the according page. For our dashboard, we have a fully functional dashboard with the sidebar on the left, where you can toggle between random forest and isolation forest and choose the algorithm that you want to run. Then just click Run Model, and it will do it for you. And this will generate the visualization on the left, where it shows the graph and it really guides you through the process of spotting these fraudulent transactions and how the graph determines them or finds them. And on the right, a scatter plot will generate with the data, and it will also pinpoint the fraudulent and non-fraudulent. And for the sake of time, we have the results pre-recorded as you can see here with the graph following and the scatter plot, which all the points you can actually hover on and you could view the coordinates for yourselves. And this just gives you a better perspective of how the data exactly is structured in regards to the axes and also the graph in the data. On the bottom, we have fraud transactions with the amount, distance, age, and hour, and all these components of the fraud data. And this data is also exportable on the bottom left for the export results button. And this will generate a CSV for you to download. And we have upload data where you can actually upload your own transactions with or without fraud. And you could run the appropriate algorithm to test that yourself. And then on the model settings, you can choose your own hyperparameters. In this case, the default hyperparameters used were pretty poor, and that would affect accuracy and time. And then at the top, right now you're seeing the isolation forest performance with the fraud rate, the analyzed points, the accuracy listed, and the time of the isolation forest run. And again, the accuracy, the time is also varies depending on what device you're using. And for random forest, the data is as listed, showing fraud rate, the analyzed points, and the accuracy of this algorithm, and also the time it took to perform. And as also its unique scatter plot and graph visualization that will load after the run of the algorithm. And finally, in the top right, we have a button that you can toggle to view our team again and our information. And finally, an X button to exit and go back to the home page. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the bottom and smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.